While attempting to install a cloud-hosted productivity suite, a user receives an error alert indicating that the installation is unavailable. Which troubleshooting action should be prioritized first? Option A, remove the software and attempt to install it again. Option B, install a different free open-source software program. Option C, confirm the number of active device installations against the license limit. Option D, install the latest operating system updates on the machine.
This question asks us to consider how we approach software deployment issues, particularly with cloud-hosted applications, where licensing, user accounts, and device thresholds play a critical role in managing access and installation permissions across an organization. In my view, the correct answer is option C. Confirm the number of active device installations against the license limit. When installing cloud-based software, an installation unavailable error frequently happens because the subscription license has already been activated on the maximum permitted devices. Checking this limit is a quick and non-intrusive step to verify account permissions before trying complex fixes.
Let us look at why the other options are less appropriate. Removing the software and trying again, as suggested in option A, is time-consuming and will not resolve a licensing conflict. Installing a different open-source program, in option B, completely ignores the user's need for the specific productivity suite. Finally, updating the operating system, in option D, might help with general compatibility, but license management is a much more direct and common root cause for this specific error message.